Want to change language in Rise of Castles but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change language in Rise of Castles. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by tapping on the arrow button which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, tap on the settings option. Now click on language option from here. Here you have list of language that you can choose from. Select anyone from here. If you are sure that you want to change the language, tap on the OK button. After that, the game will start automatically. And that's how you can change language in Rise of Castles. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.